Hey, my friend, fellow trader, it's Will here over at fxace.com. First, a big welcome to the video. So, today's video, my friend, is just a quick update on my premium Forex signal service. So, it's just some trades that we've just closed today, Wednesday, the 23rd of October. One on the British pound, Japanese yen, and one on the euro, Japanese yen. Now, on this account, some of the subscribers have kept them open, some have closed. I've advised to close the British pound, Japanese yen. And on this account, the euro, Japanese yen, and the British pound, Japanese yen have been closed. This is a rather large account. So one of my clients is trading, and he's let me go through the account for him. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the trades. You can see two trades that he's closed. Okay, nice 23,670 profit, and see, around about a 300 pip profit already midweek. Okay, and some of the open trades currently there. Okay, all in profit. Okay, so basically the reason for this trade in the British pound, Japanese yen, and the reason for closing it early is just a lot of Brexit news, and anything could swing for and against you this week. So this was the area here. Okay, at the start of the week it was topping out. So you can see price action slowing down, and the signal was to be executed at 141. It was spiked up just above 141 on Monday. Signal executed, spiked up again yesterday, and it's been dropping ever since that vote in British Parliament yesterday. That was a nice trade so far. Could drop further, but again, the way our signal service works, we open the trades on a Monday and we close on a Friday unless I state otherwise. So today, I've stated to my subscribers via the live Telegram group that it would be in their best interest to close the British pound, Japanese yen, and bank some midweek profits. Okay, that's the reason for this, because this could, next couple of days, it could drop a little bit further, then rally up by Friday. We don't know. Okay, so the other trade was on the euro, Japanese yen. Similar story. You have this nice daily zone here that caused this huge move down. Price, nice rally up into it. Nice 10-day candle rally up into it, and slowing down. The executed price was 121,200. And you can see that executed on Monday and it's been dropping nicely. This has the potential to go further, possibly down to 119 below. Okay, down to this kind of area here. So some people have closed this. This client with this large account has closed it and wanted to take the profit on it, but it could pop down another 100 pips. Okay, and we do have the interest rate decision in Europe tomorrow, so it's another trade I'll be monitoring closely and advising my subscribers via the Telegram group before the interest rate decisions, because it could drop the next day, over the next day, and then rally after any bullish or hawkish comments from the ECB. So that could be the potential for this trade. Okay, so that's the reasons for closing it, and open trades are currently all in profit. Now, bit of information regarding the signal service. Okay, we are one of the only signal service, probably the only one out there that will guarantee that you'll make pips. Okay, on our website we will guarantee you'll make 900 pips every 90 days or your money back. We also give you a free robot for simply trying the service, yours to keep for life. It's a moon cycle robot. It's a swing trading robot, one trade a month per asset. Okay, you can track our live trading account here, the signal account, on it by clicking the link below, and you can see some of the results our clients are getting. It's a very powerful service. My friend, if you're looking for signals that work, our signals work, and we guarantee that they'll work. Okay, since June, since we started this service with a small test group, we have banked over 6,000 pips, and this week could bring it up. Currently, 300 pips this week and counting, and it could bring it up to nearly over 7,000 pips. Okay, so we offer a great service. We guarantee that you'll make money. Okay, trading does carry a risk, but what we're recommending, if you follow my instructions, you will make money. Okay, if you don't, and take more risk, you follow my risk assessment, risk judgments, follow my trades, you will make money. We guarantee that, okay? Or we'll just simply give you your money back. Okay, so to access the service, simply click the link below in the description area, or if you're on the website page, just click this ready to start button now. See it there, ready to start, click here now. And looking forward to seeing you in the service. Any questions, let me know in the comments below. Like and share the video if you know anyone who's looking to use a Forex signal service that works. Simply like and share. Comment below any other questions. Get in contact with me at will@thefxace.com. Looking forward to helping you become a successful trader. Thank you very much. Will@thefxace.com.